The diary page contains important dates and numbers that relate to the case. Let's take a look. In our example case, we can see multiple entries on the diary page. On the left, you can see the diary entry names and then the matching values on the right. These entries vary from dates like the application date or granted date to numbers like the application number, registration number, and more. Do note that the diary options you see here are fully customizable and will differ per case type. To edit an entry, simply double-click on the entry to have the edit window appear. Enter the new value and click the Apply button. You can delete an entry by highlighting it and then clicking the Delete button. Editing and deleting of diary entries are, of course, dependent on having the proper security rights. Patricia also has the functionality to check the diary entries entered by a user. This we call diary validation, and there are several choices available as to how this is implemented. The great thing about validation is that it prevents data errors from creeping in. Setup for this is needed and must be implemented in the Patricia maintenance application. Also, very important is the log button, which logs all changes made to diary entries. You can view a full log of changes made by clicking on the log button. Diary entries are not simply just data entries, but can be expanded to include some intelligent setup. This assists greatly with case management and includes features like automatic deadline calculation and adding work tasks to a case based on the entries added. Another great time saver is the Update Family Case option. With this, you can bulk update diary entries across a family of cases in one action. This feature does require setup and maintenance. Let's demonstrate this. Once you enter a value, you are prompted with a new diary family update screen. Select the cases you wish to update and click Start. The family cases are also updated with this new value. The diary page gives us tools to better manage the diary view. You can filter entries based on a specific group or only show supplemental diary fields and so on. These filter options can be found in the diary page submenu area. Lastly, we add all additional priority and additional seniority information under the same labeled submenu. If you cannot see these options listed, then contact your super user. That is the basics of the diary page.